This is the Darblet, a plug-and-play image processor that enhances your HDMI video. This device supports resolutions of up to 1080p and 3D HD video. In this video, we showed some employees the Darblet in action to see if they could tell the Darbee difference.
Yes, definitely. It adds more details, more contrast, makes the whole picture look sharper.
I see a difference in the blades of grass, the hair on the animal, the colors.
Yeah, the one before looks fuzzy compared to after.
Definitely can tell the difference. Not only are the colors much more vivid, but the definition is much more detailed, like the spots on the leopard, the stripes, everything looks more dimensional. Yeah, it's much more vivid.
Yeah, the trees are much sharper. You can see that. As a matter of fact, if you keep going at the 100% Darbee, much sharper.
The trees are brighter, more descriptive.
Alright, definitely see the colors pop a little more. There in the eroded land, you can see basically it just creates a crisper edge around all the objects.
Yeah, it's definitely a lot clearer. It's kind of crazy how fuzzy it is before compared to after.
The details are definitely standing out more, and I mean, it looks like some film was lifted off the screen.
Yeah, the animal in the picture is much sharper than it originally was. What it's really doing is making everything very sharp.
I can definitely see a difference in the lizard. It's like the eyes got brighter.
So much clearer, especially the smaller items, like in this case the lizard, because he is so small. You almost lose him without the filter, and then you can see when the filter passes over it, it's almost like shining a light on him.
It definitely adds the presence effect, like it makes the object on the screen stand out more, and it adds like sort of a depth of field.
Definitely looks a lot better in this one. Without it, you're looking at the hand, you actually can't tell there's even fingerprints there. With the Darbee on, you can actually see the individual lines and creases in the finger, and again with the contrast and brightness of the colors.
It's definitely a lot clearer with the Darbee hooked up.
Yeah, it's like less blurry. I guess that's the big thing I noticed is like features like the little animal's eyes, it's less blurry when it's on in comparison to when it's off.